Okay, so we're going to get stuck back into the XR6. There's plenty of work to do. We've had a hold up on a few things, but that's all right. The first thing we're going to have a look at is, though, the front bar got damaged. I hit a fox on the highway the other night doing 100 k's an hour and did some rather nasty damage. So there's no damage that I can see. It's all just paint's just flaking off. Unfortunately, either I did a shit paint job or it hit it pretty hard. So the whole thing's got to get redone the whole way around. The lights that missing is, we did save that, so we've still got that. So we're going to pull it off, put the old bar back on for now and pull this thing apart. Since we painted the car, I've learned a lot more about painting. So I'm going to have to repaint this bar the same way that I painted the car to make it look the same as the car, otherwise it's going to look different if I do it the new way that I've been taught. So that's not so much a challenge, but just what I'm going to have to do. So I'll rip this thing off, get the old one back on, which looks absolutely garbage anyway, but it'll cover for now so we can spend some time sorting this thing out. Okay, so we've got off the car, got the other one back on. Now, two things are plain obvious. Hitting something at high speed does damage, and that my prep work wasn't as good as it could have been for here, because some of this is just peeling straight off. Just means that when I sanded this, it was too smooth and didn't have enough rough in the area. So I'm going to rectify that now. We're going to just scrape everything off that we can, sand it all back down, and then just do the whole process again. So the front bar for the XR6 we've hacked into pretty hard. Cook out a lot of areas here and then just play it in a few other spots, get all these edges, make sure this time that we got right in here and down these back corners that we sort of didn't quite get properly last time. There's a couple of spots here and there that we'll quickly address up that we haven't touched. But we'll get some undercoat on this and then a couple of coats of undercoat and then we can sand it back and then get ready for the colour.
Mess you up worse and never and coke. Heat you up, make your whole body stroke. That's when you're bad, man, cause get me broke. So you better hope. People don't say, nothing fake, get me provoke. Me inhale this bliff and exhale this smoke. Me more dangerous than royal boat. So hear me not anger, this a not joke. You're not bad man, bad man not here. Bad man from here to here. We tell you man a bad man. Bad man not here. Bad man from here to here. We tell you man a bad man. Bad man. Bad man. Bad man. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag. Never hesitate to left you in a body bag. Never hesitate to left you with a hashtag. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag. Man, a bad man. Bad man not here. Bad man from here to here. We tell you man a bad man. Bad man not here. Bad man from here to here. We tell you man a bad man. Bad man. Bad man. Bad man. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag. Bad man from here to here. We tell you man a bad man. Bad man not here. Bad man from here to here. We tell you man a bad man. Bad man. Bad man. Bad man. Real bad man, we will kill all your swag.